The population of a town was 12,000 in 1980 and 16,000 in 1990. What was the percent increase in the population of the town during this period? Option A 25%, option B 30%, option C 33%, 33.3% basically, and option D is 40%. So let's try to solve this question. So in solution, we have to determine the percent increase in population. So percent increase is equal to increase in amount, increase in amount divided by original amount. Divided by original amount and multiply by 100. So what is the increase in amount? It was 12,000 in 1980 and 16,000 in 1990. So the increase in amount is 4,000. So we will write 4,000 over here. And what was the original amount? In 1980, it was 12,000, which is the original amount. So we will write 12,000 over here and we will multiply this with 100 for percent value. Now, if we divide this, so this will become 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12, and this will become 1 divided by 3 into 100. So this will become 100 divided by 3, which is equal to 33.3. So the percent increase of the population will be 33.3% during this period. So 33.3 is the correct answer.